Hi guys, welcome to Travel with Austin. I'm Austin. Today I'm here in Barnesville, Ohio, and we'll be taking a look at the Barnesville Train Tunnel. Now while we're looking at this, I'm also going to show off some of the old rail equipment that's still here. So for example, this is an old power line, and I'm not sure how well the camera can see, but that box up there still looks like it has some old electronic stuff left, obviously no longer in use. So perhaps that's what an old school transformer used to look like. I have absolutely no idea. Now this tunnel was built between 1864 and 1870. Then in 1991, after the rail line had been abandoned, Barnesville decided that they were going to buy up the line, buy this tunnel, also buy up the historic train depot, and decided to open it for their citizens. So this is now a recreation trail. I'm not sure what the depot is currently used as, but next door to it is a farmer's market. There's also a cigar museum here, and a cool train caboose that it actually looks like we can go into. So if I can get in there, I'm going to make another video about that. But here's the tunnel itself. It is a very short tunnel. It is only about, I believe it was 423 feet long, and it is made of sandstone. Now, before we get into the tunnel and walk across it, here it looks like we have more stuff. This is possibly where the power lines would have connected to the tunnel back in the olden day, because you can see kind of just goes down there and then that goes underground up into the tunnel. So let's walk through the tunnel. It is in great shape. Now I imagine that the upkeep on this has to be done almost immediately, because as we're walking under this tunnel right now, there is a road above us. And I don't know if you can actually hear them when they drive by, but there are cars basically driving over us right now, and you can hear them sometimes. Now, I'm not sure how many tracks this tunnel had, but it is pretty wide. It does feel like it could maybe have fit 2 tracks, but currently with its current setup, you only have the central path. Now, you don't have any alcoves in it like a lot of the tunnels I've been to, which meant if a train was coming, you couldn't get out of the way, unless of course this was a one-track tunnel, in which case there was plenty of room on the sides for you to get around. And although there is dripping water in this tunnel, due to the path upkeep here, the main path isn't actually wet at all, and it's just off to the side, which I know the camera can't really show you, where there is some water. Now there are also some pipes running through the tunnel. You can see them right there. Not really sure what the function of those are or if they're still in use, but just something neat I noticed. Now the tunnel is relatively unmarked, except for one little spot right here where there is some graffiti, and also there are some blocks here that have carvings in them. So I honestly don't know what those say. Some of them are upside down and they're fading, but it seems like they were made in Ohio, in Canton, which is pretty interesting. Only a few of the blocks have this on them, so I wonder what that means. And then now we're coming out across the other side here. Now we have some metal support structures here. I don't know what those would have been. And also another power line area here. You can also see where the wires would have come out of the tunnel here. And at the very top you can see the keystone. It's pretty hard to make out in person, so I'm not sure how well it would translate to video, but it does look like it says 1870. So let's just back up a bit and get a better view of the tunnel here. And then before I end this video, I want to show you guys one more thing. I have absolutely no idea what it was, other than that it is a rail tunnel thing. And if you know what it is, please comment below, because I have absolutely no idea. But basically, probably about 100 feet or so from the tunnel, we have this metal pole sticking out of the ground, which you are probably able to see by now, and sticks out over here. Then it's kind of attached to a wood thing that has wires running down from it. Now, I'm not sure if the wires are meant to be exposed, or if at one time there was something else here. and I have no idea what that is supposed to be, and it's very interesting. I've never seen anything like this before. The only guess I can really give you is maybe that this area somehow triggered a train signal up ahead, but I really have no idea. So anyway, that is the Barnesville Tunnel in Barnesville, Ohio. It is a public trail, so you can come and walk it whenever. It's very easy to get to. You just park at the old train depot, and it's less than a quarter-mile walk to get to the tunnel and through the tunnel. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. It really helps me a lot. And I will see you guys next time with a brand new video. Thanks for watching.